I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by locking down fundamentals that pay off immediately. Learn HTML5 semantics and basic accessibility so your pages are usable. Once done, style layouts with Flexbox and Grid using a mobile-first mindset to avoid rewrites. Next, choose JavaScript and practice DOM manipulation and ES6 features because they unlock interactive behavior. Practice small, focused projects. Make sure to iterate quickly so you build muscle memory and identify gaps early. Now scale from exercises to real projects. Clone a small app and add a new feature while committing incremental changes with Git so you learn workflows. Once comfortable, adopt one framework like React to understand component-driven architecture and state management. This clarifies complex UI patterns. Also set up tooling, NPM scripts, a bundler, linters, and basic tests to automate quality. This combination teaches you how systems grow and why maintainability matters when teams collaborate. Finish by optimizing and shipping, reduce bundle size, enable caching, and choose efficient image formats so users load pages faster. Once done, deploy to a hosting platform and add basic monitoring and analytics to catch regressions. Make sure to practice debugging. Use DevTools to inspect network, console, and component state. When something breaks, produce a minimal reproducible case and step-by-step notes. This troubleshooting habit saves time and teaches you the how and why of fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.